Here's how to factory reset your AirPods Pro. Now here you can see I have my AirPods Pro, and if I open them up, I'm just going to show you real quick that they are synced up with my iPhone. So essentially I'm going to go through the process of disconnecting it. You can see on my iPhone they are currently connected and owned by my iPhone. But that's no problem. What we're going to do is make sure that both the left and the right earbud are in the case. And the next thing we're going to do is close it up and just leave it for about 30 seconds. Those need to be in the case and just leave it for 30 seconds. After we've done that, we're going to use the button in the back to reset. So you can see there is that button, and you need to follow along with specific steps. So what we're going to do is first open up the case. This only works when you open it up. And then you're going to press the button in the back. After you've done that, you'll be able to see, let me find it. The light starts to go white and blinks white, but you're just going to keep holding it. You can see it is blinking white. Again, I'm just going to keep holding it until it turns amber. So eventually it'll turn amber just like that. And after it turns amber and blinks for several times, I can lift my finger off that button in the back and then just wait a few seconds, and it will go through the process of factory resetting it. Now afterwards, I can always reset it, and after I've done that, I can sync it up with my iPhone just by opening up the case. And after I've done that, I can choose to, on my iPhone, set it up as if it were brand new AirPods. You can see right here, it doesn't recognize that those are my old AirPods if you look at my iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.